Hello guys, here is a really cool idea for an indoor engagement shoot. This is especially great if it's freezing outside like it is right now in Connecticut. I try to come up with new ideas to make things more interesting for your engagement shoot. During the consultation, I might ask, where did you guys first meet? Where was your first date? What do you guys like to do together? So in this case, we came up with the idea to shoot at the bowling alley. This is the Bolero Bowling Alley in Norwalk, Connecticut, just in case you were wondering. The bride-to-be called up and requested that we get there a little early for the shoot, and it worked out great. For the first few minutes of the shoot, after I've set up my lighting and done tests, the entire point is to get you to relax. There's a bit of mystery when you're getting your picture taken. You don't know what the photographer is seeing. So as a result, you don't know if you're doing it right. So in the first few minutes, I want to establish trust, ease of mind, and just a relaxed environment so there's little to fear. So you'll see us laughing, cracking jokes, just having fun. And what I do is start out with some simple posing, which helps you loosen up before getting to the more, let's say, intimate poses. All right, so I'm setting up for the second look right now. I'm gonna speed through this part. My wife is there assisting me. We're doing some light tests. Now, because the bowling alley was already pretty dark, I didn't want to actually use a flash. All I did was just use the modeling light on my flash, and that was enough to get some of these shots.
You don't feel the same, wondering when it changed. Did you come to play, my baby? I'm running your race, my heart's in its place, wondering if you'll stay. I'm tired of figuring out whether you're in or you're not. I see it as a warning, I feel it in the morning. I've got those lingering doubts showing me with and without. I see it as a warning, I feel it as I'm falling, and I know the same thing you did before made me stay, saving face when I needed more, and I'm holding the space to get to me.
All right, so we went over to the shoe counter. I wanted to get some shots that looked like they were like flirting, being playful, while they're getting their shoes. The bar was close by, so we got a few shots there too. My wife and I demonstrated what I wanted them to do to make it a little easier.
Was all in vain, but I'm not all to blame. Was it just a
So one thing you probably noticed by now is I will take my couples through poses that are relatively separate. Body language is probably just flirting at first, and then I'll get them in closer and closer and closer. And it's all because I want to make the photography process as comfortable as possible. All right, so after that look, we felt like we had some great shots and tried for some additional creative looks around the bowling alley. before more people started coming in. Now, there was also an arcade, and I definitely wanted to get some shots in there. So that's what you're seeing right here. Now, if you really enjoyed that, go ahead and check out my other video, and then you can see some behind the scenes look at another of my engagement shoots. Remember to like and subscribe. Peace.